everyone, and welcome back, this time to the award ceremony of the Engineering for Humanity 42-hour virtual event. I'm Annaam, your host once again, and I'm super excited to be back. So let's look at what we've been doing since the past week. We started off on the 11th of March with an opening ceremony, after which you, our participants, started developing your solutions. We had a weekend filled with amazing activities, a lot of engagement from all of you, and after that, on the 13th, we ended with a closing ceremony. That's when the important job of the jury began, to evaluate all of your solutions and to decide on a winner, which is why we are here today, the award ceremony of Engineering for Humanity. So you had 5 different challenges to choose from, and we could see a lot of interest from many of you in different challenges, which is really exciting for us. Let's look at what was done over the weekend, some highlights. We found that we had participants from 12 different countries, all across 5 different continents. That is amazing. You should all be proud of yourselves. We had one team that actually had participants from 3 different time zones and 3 different continents. What a wonderful job done by all of you. Kudos. We also had a lot of spontaneous positive feedback from the participants, which was really appreciated. So thank you all for that. It's really good to hear that you were actually enjoying yourselves and having a good time while also meeting people from different continents and different countries all together. There was also one dance party, the contents of which shall always remain hidden, but it was a lot of fun and I'm very happy to hear that. So now it's time for us to begin the awards evening, and I will hand over to Alex, our awesome community manager, to start us off with the first award of the evening.
Last weekend was a really fun event, and it was so cool to meet so many of you digitally, taking part from different parts of Europe and the world. Pretty incredible to think that people were connecting at different time zones, from Washington State in the United States of America, all the way down to Australia, and everything that's in between, from Europe to Africa. Loads of people connecting digitally to find innovative solutions to solve the world's big problems. But it was also fun. The social part was part of what I was doing, and it was really nice to dance on the Saturday evening with those who joined, and some of you took up the challenge of following our specific chat for the community engagement. And there was one team that distinguished itself and that even sent us a selfie, which is with their name and explaining also a little bit about their solution. So for this reason, the Experience Task Award for Engineering for Humanity 2022, the award goes to Pry. Congratulations to the 4 of you for being active and taking part in this, and also for creating a cross-border team with 3 of you joining from Spain and 1 from Germany. Great job. And yeah, I really had a good time, and I hope to see you at another hackathon soon. Maybe digitally or maybe physically in Sweden. For now, take care and see you next time. Back to you.
Wow, it's so great to hear about a team that did so well. Thank you so much, Alex, for that announcement. Now it's time to find out who actually won the Engineering for Humanity event. And for that, I would like to hand over to Jan Burenius, who is the chairman of OpenHack, the vice chairman of Engineers Without Borders Sweden, and he's also the head jury representative. Over to you, Jan.
Hi there, and I'm really happy to be back here exactly 1 week after we kicked this event off. I'd like to start with a big thank you so much to all our participants, all our mentors, jury members, and of course also our sponsors. You did really great, and despite the tragic circumstances coinciding with our event this week, where we obviously have seen the daily atrocities in Ukraine. So with that said, hats off to all teams that submitted proposals in this 42-hour event. And we in the lead jury and the additional jury members have now finally reached, after our deliberations, a unanimous decision. And I'll continue now by giving you the motivation behind our decision to give the Engineering for Humanity Award 2022 with the following details. You have presented an excellent idea with high level of detail that in a clear way addresses the challenge presented to start off with. Looking upon your solution, the market fit, the scalability of the idea is substantial due to the solution having characteristics of mobility, compactness, and also cost effectiveness. And technically, you as a team have really impressed us as you managed to elaborate the idea very far, including background calculations, proper modeling the solution, and also a sketch. So overall, we think that your proposal is well worth the price, as in fully in line with Humanity for Engineering and supports, we think, in a fine way, the SDG framework. So now, to sum up, the 2020 award goes to, that was my own little drum beat, the plastic recycling plant with team members from Spain, Gustavo, Javier, Emilio, and Jan. So our warmest congratulations to Team Plastic Recycling Plant. Big applause to you guys. And our warmest congratulations, as I said. We now hope, and I think this is important, that you will continue to work and move this idea from idea stage over to implementation and hopefully a pilot in the near future. I will reach out next week with additional feedback and maybe some guidance for next steps.
Congratulations! Let's hear from the winning team.
Hello, this is our team, PRI, PET Recycling Accessible to Almost Everyone. My name is Emilio Dominguez and I'm studying mathematics and computer engineering in Spain.
Hi, my name is Jan and I'm currently studying mechanical engineering in Germany.
Hi, my name is Javier and I am a student in Spain of electronics engineering in Valencia.
And hi, my name is Gustavo and I am also from Valencia studying electronic engineering.
Our idea for the contest was to solve the plastic problem, producing the least amount of microplastic and also closing the loop by increasing the quality of the plastic produced by our recycling plants. Therefore, we decided a proof of concept of a recycling plant that can fit in a single standard 44-feet container, can produce high-quality plastic with a minimum number of components, and also cost around $20,000, which is a reasonable price. Thank you very much.
In addition to this award, let me go back to the opening ceremony a week ago, where we encouraged innovativeness, out-of-the-box thinking, and we in the lead jury have decided to give a special recognition also to the most innovative idea, as we see it. And this innovative special recognition goes to the eco-material team from Benin. They managed to address, we think in an elegant way, two of our, or combining, you even could say, two of our challenges. The word of plastic waste challenge on one hand, and our sustainable construction challenge on the other hand. Using, which is important also, readily available local material, plastic waste and palm nut shells to produce building blocks. By participating here, I think you beautifully illustrated the power of the digital age and working across borders. So once again, a big applause to the team members from Benin, Kimi, Younes, Wilfried, and from Sweden, Cyan. So here we also will, excuse me, here we also will keep in touch. And as a concluding remark, we do look forward to see you and of course many, many more in the next edition, Engineering for Humanity Weekend 2023, and hopefully then in much calmer times than we experience in these days. So till then, bye-bye from me and keep safe.
Congratulations once again. So proud of you, and I'm very proud of also all of the participants who did a wonderful job. Your dedication, your time, and your efforts are truly appreciated. So make sure to pat yourselves on the back. With this, I would also like to thank all of our partners who have supported us in making sure this could actually become a reality, all the way from Engineers Without Borders Sweden, Norway, Finland, Germany, as well as Ramble, Sandvik, Sigma Technology, SLU, and of course, OpenHack. All right, so just time for some very quick reminders. We have been getting a lot of positive feedback from all of you, which is truly very much appreciated, but we would also like to really get some more insightful feedback from you. That is why we will be sending out a survey. So participants and everyone who's participated, please make sure to answer the survey and give us your valuable feedback, because our aim is to make this a better event year by year. Another reminder about the platform. All of the solutions will be available there on Event Tornado, and the chat will also remain open until the end of March. So make sure to connect and share your contacts. With that, we come to the end of this award ceremony. It has been an amazing journey to follow, and we thank you all for your time, efforts, and engagement. It's time for me, your host, Annaam, to sign off. But remember, together we help create a better world. And until next time, see you then. Goodbye.